Hey folks, welcome back. In the last video, we talked about what AI is. Now it's time to dive a little deeper. Today, I'm going to talk about how AI learns. So think of AI like a baby learning for the first time. You show the baby a bunch of photos of dogs and say, this is a dog. Show it again and again. Different dogs, big dogs, small dogs. And after a while, the baby just gets it. That's exactly how AI learns, except the AI baby gets millions of pictures and learns way faster. It doesn't understand what a dog is, just notices patterns like the body shape of the dog, the four legs, the fur, tail. Doesn't feel the cuteness, it just learns what to expect. Now, technically, there are a few ways AI learns, but don't worry, I'll keep it light. The first one is the supervised learning, like a teacher marking answers. Give the AI both the question and the correct answer. This is a cat and this is not. It learns by being corrected. The second type is the unsupervised learning. So the AI is on its own. The AI just looks for pattern by itself, like grouping people based on shopping habits. Then there is reinforcement learning, kind of like training a dog. Give it a reward when it gets it right, and it learns over time what to do. So don't stress with the names. Just remember that AI learns by looking at data, spotting patterns, and getting better with more examples. Like, have you ever noticed that YouTube recommends videos that are weirdly accurate? And that's AI learning what you like based on what you clicked, what you skipped, how long did you watch the video. And over time, it gets really accurate. Or take, for example, Google Translate. It didn't magically learn languages, it read millions of sentences in different languages and mashed them. Again, patterns, repetition, and feedback. So the next time someone says AI is learning, you'll know it's just looking at examples over and over until it can make really good guesses. Just like we do when learning anything. Like we practice, we repeat, and we correct. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button and tell me, what's the one thing you would want to teach in AI? It could be funny, serious, or weird. Drop it in the comments. In the next video, we will explore the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Yes, there is a difference. Until then, stay curious, stay human, and keep learning.